All right. Got a package from Sweetwater today. Sweetwater, thank you. And they sent some candy. Oh, that's nice of them. I also got 2 cool t-shirts. Sweetwater. But the cool thing is that MEINL symbol pack, Classic Customs Dark. I don't know if you can see the sizes. 15 hats, 20 crash, 22 crash ride, plus free 18-inch dark trash crash. Yes. Plus, there's more. This is what they look like. This was another bonus 18-inch dark heavy crash. Now, pretty cool looking, black and gold, and if you can see the dimples in there, hand hammered also. And it's a wider lathing, which makes for the different finish and gives it a darker sound. Very cool symbols. MEINL. German. So I'm going to set the timers up with them and then try them out. Actually, I want to check them all out. Yeah, let's open this up. Check them all out. Got a little bit of weight to it. Not sure if this whole thing comes out or what. Yep, there it is. Come on. Come on. Come on. So you are watching the unboxing. If you're watching. If you're watching me struggle. They put a box in a box. They put the box in the box. Nothing else in there, all right? Just checking. Let's see what's in this one. Yes. All right. That's beautiful. That's my 22-inch dark crash ride. I love it. What else we got? Oh yeah. 20-inch dark crash. Very nice. Love that sound. All right, this was the bonus. This is the 18-inch trash crash. got 10 holes in it. 5 big and 5 small. 18 inches. Trash crash. Very cool again. Ah, there's more. There's more. These would be the hi-hats. They appear to be together. Hey. Tricky. I think I caught it. I think I caught it. 15-inch hi-hats. This is the bottom. It's heavy. And that's the top. $15-inch hi-hats. Love how they sound. Okay. Next move is put them on the kit. MEINL. 15 hats, bonus 18 trash crash, bonus 18-inch dark heavy crash, 20-inch crash, and the 22 crash ride. Awesome. Next move, onto the kit. Yes.